These are my Mother's Day plants. This is a hen and chicks. See the hen? And that's the chicks. This is a Camelot foxglove. Hummingbirds supposedly really love this. This is my flowers my little step minnie gave me. It's my Christmas cactus, which isn't doing so good, but it's hanging in there. It's about, had it for about 5 years now. My Jericho, Rose of Jericho. I love this one, is one of my favorites. And these are my little succulents. I love succulents. They're so cute, and they come in all kinds of, I don't know, species, plants. I don't know, they're really cute though. That's supposed to be the jewels of the desert. Them two. These two are, excuse the stove. Oh, it says the succulents. But anyways, they're beautiful. This is my mini rose bush. This is actually a Mother's Day present from my mother. They were so pretty. I don't know what happened to them. I gotta replant them in a bigger pot. Cardea rose or Cordea? Cordana rose. Anyways, I love roses. I love plants. Those are my Mother's Day plants. I'm going to show you the ones outside the kitty cats keep messing up. This is my crystal vine. And I love the Smurfs, elephants, and Snow White. So, that's a porticella. That's marigolds and petunias. Sweet basil. A starlight lily. That's onion down there. And which are my Smurfs. I love my dwarfs. There's more than 7 of them. This is I don't know if I can say it right. Draculae houseplant. I love it. It looks like a palm plant. Remind me of the beach. That is some little succulents that fell off my succulents in the house. This is my water lilies. I've had this plant for 13 years. It come from my father's sister's funeral. She died of brain cancer when I was pregnant with Jaden. And that is my elephant ear. It's so funny because Johnny bought it when just the bulbs, and I planted it. It's called John Peed. That's weird. That's my elephant ears. I think it's elephant ears. I don't know, but I pulled it up from a yard, and they just seem to grow up from the ground like a vine. And I'm trying to do a little garden over there. I've been taking pictures. Some are growing, some aren't. I got a little bit of kale growing, a starlight's growing down there, John Pete's growing down there. I love clovers. I got them like really, really pretty and high, and then they just died. Anyways, I water them like twice a day. This is Maple. She loves bringing me kitties, mainly on the holidays. Well, I don't know. It's kind of funny because she was gotten for my son on the holiday. That's chaos. He thinks he's a cat. I hate animals being by the road because Angel and Wiki, sad to say, got hit, passed away, and Vanderlyn. So we're trying to find the mama cat and the kitties a good home. Hopefully I can get a couple of them neutered or spaded, but either way they've got to go from this road. Here's one bad kitty. Now, if y'all ever have house plants that y'all like to put outside in the spring or summer, and you have cats that like to jump on it, mix pepper, cayenne pepper, some lemon pepper, and cinnamon in a cup and just sprinkle it all around your plants like this. That's why it looks like that. That's pepper, and it keeps the kitties out of it. It doesn't hurt your plants. Doesn't make it pretty, but it doesn't hurt them, but it keeps the cats away from them so they don't be digging holes and using your plants as a litter box, which really sucks, especially if you love your plants the way I do. I have a green thumb. Yeah. The gray one is Jelly. He's my favorite. And I forgot the other one's names. They're so cute. And hot. They're hot. I think they was sleeping under the house most of the day until they heard me on the porch and then they run up here. But they don't like me. I say they don't like me. I just think they're still skittish. Really skittish. When I have George, my bearded dragon, out here, he follows them around. I don't want them biting on him, and I don't want them biting on him. Because I've had rabbits out here, and I think one of the cats got a hold of the rabbit and scratched him. Well, he eventually died. I hated that. It was so unexpected. But you live, you learn. They really need a little farm home out in the country, not this busy city. Do you hear all these cars? Like I said in one video, this is the world's worst road. Pretty sure it gets worse than this, but every day there's an accident. I mean, like, even in my front yard. Cops, wreckers, all during the day, all during the night. Heck, mostly in the morning. My little country kitties. Busy traffic. Hey, kitty. Hey, pretty kitty. You're so pretty. You are very pretty. The mama brings some big rats and like big squirrels on the porch, like, and she'll leave it like right here on that carpet. And if you're not careful, you can step on it. And in the mornings, that is not a good thing to be stepping on. A dead carcass animal, no. Pretty. Also, if you can, keep a litter box up here with yard dirt. That also helps them stay away from your plants. And little toys here and there. So look how busy this road is with these little cats. It gets worse. And I'm so close to the road, people love to stare, and I hate it. hate being looked at.